Hello everybody, my name is George and I'm the developer of this app. I'm going to present the features in this app. The first one is how to generate numbers. You can refresh the numbers. You can change one of the numbers here. You can pick it from a list of numbers. I want this set of numbers. Or you can manual pick. If you want, you can have colors, color balls, or random or not. Pick the numbers and save. The numbers will show up here. You can generate the numbers with magic wand. It will do a lot of calculations in the background and give you the best results. This is a random random game, and there are a lot of options even in this range. And I cannot guarantee winning, but you'll get closer. If you want to see more statistics, for example, for the average of balls, you can click on this icon here and it will give you visual of the statistics. You can adjust each value or both in the same time. You can switch between tabs and same, adjust the values wherever you want. You can go down here and check the table, the results. You can sort on each column. You have an option to hide some of the values so you have a better view of the table. You can change the game from here if you want. There are a lot of options here, for example, Mega Millions, and you can adjust it for each game. Also, for example, this set of numbers, you can say you purchase this set of numbers on January. Hit OK. Let's say we played 10 times, save it, and it'll let you know if you won anything after the game plays. You go here and see if you have any luck. You will receive a notification with the numbers, winning numbers on each game to let you know if you won or not. Another option on the home page is to see if this set of numbers ever were winning numbers in the past. You can check to see if were 3 or more numbers. Looks like it was. Last time in 2016 it happened. You can star this set of numbers, so they're favorite numbers, favorite set of numbers. You can see them in the history here. They are favorite. You can switch here in the list, filter by each game. You can add favorite or excluded balls here. For example, I want to add 3 here and I want to remove 2. You can delete or not all the numbers, add your favorite or excluded numbers. The statistics page is the same one. You can come from the home page with the click on the icon to show the statistics. You can switch between tabs here, select different games. You have a lot of options. Also, you can move the graphic here. When you move and when you click, it will give you the details of that particular game, statistics, all the information you need to take the right decisions on picking the numbers. You can select here different games from all around the world. There are more than 300 games from all around the world to choose from, a lot of countries. Let me know if you don't see the game you want in the list and I can add it. You can select or deselect the games from here. You can go and do some changes if the day is changing and save and be updated. In the results page, you see the latest results for the game, and sometimes if there's a big jackpot, it'll be on top, let you know what is the latest jackpot. In here, based on the results, you see on the graphic with this gray line where is the game, you see here, and you can click on a card and see more details on statistics of these numbers of this draw. I show the tickets played games, and you see the numbers here. You also have app settings here where you can change some of the settings in the app to receive notification or not, to show you the balls in order, to view the app on the entire screen. You can check other apps I have on Google Store. You can change the language here. I have more than 30 languages available here for you to pick. You can buy features here. There are some options to subscribe. Thank you everybody for buying features in the app. And for example, I can give you some of the features for free if you want. If you share the app on social media sites like Facebook or TikTok, make a video, I really appreciate. And I can give you any of the features if you send me a print screen of or a link to your share. And I can give you, for example, this one for free. You can I will give you a code and you can redeem it here. You go to redeem code and you enter the code I give you here, and the feature will be free. Let me know what feature you would like. Look, sometimes there are some offers, like a 20% off. Let me know what other features you would like in the app. Also, the help here is giving you all the details on all the pages. If you have other questions, let me know. I can answer any of the questions you have about the app. Good luck, everybody. Thank you very much for watching and sharing the app, trying the app. Good luck, and let me know if you win.